Hi, this is Mamta Malleja. Happy evening to everyone. When we start about learning relationship, we immediately impulse about when we talk about relationship, we judge the other person. Like we said, my husband is like this, my wife is like this, but we we tell them as a wrongdoers. So how we connect that relationship with interdependence and independence in between is grace. How this you will learn from this video, how there are sides of coin in life. So we will going to explore in this video how we can work on two sides of our relationship. In a coin there is two sides. One side is interdependence means we have to put the relationship first. We have to prioritize them first. We have to when you take your own decision, you should have that inner thing that we have to take the your decision with together, and we have to grow each other. Next, independence is like we have to grow and develop ourselves independently. We have to work on ourselves. This is the two sides of coin. We have to take this two sides of coin. First is interdependence, put your relationship first. Second is grow and work yourself independently, to grow, not to be unstagnant. So when we are in a relationship, if other person is not growing, if they are stagnant, they are not improve, they are not have the mindset to grow, or they are not improving, we should take this relationship with together. We should support each other as a relationship. We have to work on each other. So we have to take the decision together. We have to plan together as a life partner. When we came in our as a partner, we have to plan things unit together. We have plan anything you have planned for your life, that is life partner. So we have to we have to share everything together. We have to work together. We have to grow together. We have to learn together. We as a person, there is a two sides of coin, that is interdependence and independence. In this there is some material in between, that is we are going to learn about this. So 90% of the inner conflict in relationship is not about the this is not clean, kids are not doing that. It is not because of wealth, but it is because of this difference between push and pull of interdependence and independence. We have to take the decision together with our partner to grow our relationship. So in between in this coin, we one side of coin is interdependence and other flip side of coin is independence, that we have to put the relationship first. We have to work on together. Next, we have to take this first step, then we also have to grow and be independent ourselves by keeping this in our relationship. We should not be stagnant. We have to grow this relationship. We have to work on this relationship. So in this in a coin, in a penny, it is made up of copper. In between, it is made up of copper. In the interdependence and independence, in between, that is grace. Treat your partner with grace. If they are not supportive, if you are growing, they are not growing, treat with them grace. If you are not growing, they are growing, treat with them grace. If they are struggling, and treat with them grace. Have that grace with you. Have that grace to have the grace to know them, to be with them, uh, to do with them, learn together, explore together, work together, or and work on your relationship. So start treat them with grace, even if they does wrong. Treat them with grace, even they did something, it's okay, treat them with grace. Have that graceness in relationship. So treat your partner with grace. Next is take the decision together. When you are with your partner, put your partner in your mind and take that decision in your life with that with together. Tell your plan with her, and have that communication with her. Anything you want to discuss with them, discuss them, and take that you know take that forward with discussing both each other, and take that solution in the for the decision. So any plan, just consider them both together. Anything you want to do, to anything you want to improve, or you can work together, you can take them and talk to them, and you can work on them. So treat them as your part of your life. So have that power in your relationship, have that grace in your relationship. Today I learned that in life, that is in relationship, there is two kinds of coin. I have to put my relationship first, that is interdependence. Independence, grow and independently, and working on yourself in taking that relationship. So, and in between this, we have to practice grace your partner, love your partner, or do everything with grace. I just treat them with grace, and give them how much love you can. Be the giver of love. If you give love, this relationship grows. So work on yourself, treat them with grace, take the decision together, work on the relationship, keep growing, have some plans, have some strategy to work both together, talk together, and live together. So have that power in that relationship. Next is when we immediately start judge the other persons, and other person has the wrongdoers in your relationship. When you start judging between each other as a wrongdoer, here where the relationship struggles, here where we feel separate, here where we feel that life is hard. So when you treat your relationship with grace, with love, and keep growing, and make yourself that we should be together, and we take every decision of life. We are have that power of togetherness, have that power that we will be keep communicating, loving, and be supportive with each other. So have that grace in your life. Start giving that love to your partner. So never judge your partner as your wrongdoers. Every time treat with them grace, treat with them love, be the giver of love, and be that have that power in your relationship. Be together, love together, plan together, take something to grow in your relationship. Do some rituals that you can follow for a week or a month together, to take the steps in your relationship. If your relationship is stagnant, or if you're not growing, you should grow your relationship. You should take some time to give to that relationship. You should give at least 20 minutes for that relationship. At least if you can work every day with that relationship. So have some rituals, that we go for a walk, we have a weekly 1 week dinner, has as our date. So plan something, put some strategy, put some that we will on that day we will give to ourselves, both of us. So have some strategy, have some plan to work on that relationship. So have that grace in the relationship and keep working on your relationship. Tony Robbins says when we start that relationship, we grow, we that time we will we start growing on that time. But sometimes that sometimes it becomes stagnant because we are not working on that relationship, we are not giving time to that relationship. But we have to make that relationship growing, we have to have some ritual for that relationship to work. We have that capacity with ourselves, we have to work on our relationship. It's we have to put some strategies, put some rituals that we follow and give, and start communicating with each day with your spouse or with your partner. So you will know, you will keep you will have that good bonding together, have that uniqueness together. So start working on your relationship. So have that grace in your relationship, have some rituals that we will take this one thing and we will do together. Have some rituals and be the giver of love. Be how much they are how much they are bad also, but you have to be the giver of love. You have to make them to grow, you have to make them realize, you have to be with them, you have to make them strong, you have to have that bonding with each other, you have to understand each other, you have to know about each other, we have to communicate each other, you have to explore to each other, you have to learn each other. That is relationship, that is life partner. Work on your relationship each and every day to see this in a relationship in a beautiful way. Thank you guys. Bye.